17 houses in Kodre Park will be demolished to make way for the construction of a proposed stormwater drain. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The drain, according to the Bulawayo City Council (BCC), will alleviate perennial flooding in the area. It is stated in the latest council report that the City Director of Engineering Services, Engineer Sikumbuzo Ngube, said the affected homeowners will be relocated to allow for the construction of the proposed stormwater drain that would help alleviate flooding in the area. People have cried due to this ZANU-PF regime, as they have just been given a short notice to leave their homes and there is nowhere to go. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.